Enter Honey, the world's most popular money-saving browser extension. With our free browser extension, you don't waste time or energy scouring. We do all the hard work in the background, automatically comparing millions of prices and discount codes, then instantly applying the savings to your cart. With Honey, you'll get the best possible price on everything, every time.
The Miracle-Gro AeroGarden Bounty Elite. Grow fresh herbs, vegetables, and more year-round. It's easy to set up. Your herbs and vegetables grow naturally in pure water and air, no soil required. You can watch it sprout in days, harvest in just weeks, and enjoy fresh herbs and vegetables again and again for months. The Bounty Elite comes with everything you need to start growing. It will grow up to 9 plants at a time. And plants can grow up to 24 inches high with the fully adjustable lamp arm. The easy-to-use control panel tells you when to add water, plant food, and automatically turns the lights on and off. It also guides you through your garden setup and provides helpful gardening tips. The advanced 45-watt LED lighting system delivers optimal light for plant growth and costs just pennies per day to operate. With a beautiful stainless steel finish, it will look great on your countertop. Get an AeroGarden Bounty Elite and get growing today.
Congratulations on your new smart garden! Here's how to set it up. Once you've unboxed your new Click and Grow Smart Garden Starter Kit, put the transparent domes aside. Then take out the cavities and remove the U-shaped lids. Like so. Now it's time to plant your plants. First, unwrap your new Smart Soil capsules. Then carefully place them in the cavities. Pop the U-shaped lids back on them. And click the cavities in the garden. Place the plastic domes back over each capsule until the sprouts reach them. They ensure faster and healthier germination. To keep track of your plants, you can label each capsule. The plastic cavities, U-shaped lids, and domes are reusable, so make sure to not throw them away after use. Fill the garden up with water until the float is on the same level with the lid and not higher. Add more water once the float has sunk down to the bottom again. Now you can plug your garden in and start growing. The light turns on right away and has an automatic working cycle of 16 hours on and 8 hours off. Plug it in right after waking up so it turns off automatically in the evening. The Smart Garden comes equipped with 2 light arm extensions. To bring the light to a higher position, take the lamp off the garden. Add the extension and place the lamp back on top of it. That's it. Enjoy Click and Growing! Meet Miracle-Gro 12. It's growing in water, made easy. 12 months a year. Grow what you love, right at home. No matter where you live. Or how green your thumb is. Or how madly you muddle. Or what makes you feel like a warrior. No matter what's on the menu, or how full your life is. Everybody's invited. Let's grow something to eat together. Miracle-Gro 12. Smart, simple, fresh.